Today I'm participating in the Latina Next Door's Look for Less Challenge for February of 2020. Yami at the Latina Next Door is hosting the challenge, and she is co-hosted by Kat over at According to Kat. Here on my channel, I'm doing floral designs this week for spring. So I chose a floral design from Grandinroad's catalog. And as you can see in this picture, it has a black and white vase and these pink blossoms, and it is $99. And here is another picture I found and cannot remember where I found it because I cut it out and put it in my collection of things I wanted to make. But again, it's a black and white vase with these beautiful pink blossoms. Let's get started. So I'm starting with this vase, which I found at a yard sale years ago. It's black and white, or black and cream, close as I can get, you know, close to the inspiration piece. To start with some black and white. And I believe I paid $8 or $10 for it. I've had it for years, so not quite sure. I have these florals from Michael's. They were $7.99 and they were 30% off. So that's taken off like $2.40 from each one, which brings it to $6.60, close to that. And this is what each individual piece looks like. So this is going to be a quick DIY because I'm going to cut off these tags and arrange them in this vase. Now, the stems from Grandinroad were actually $3 for $99. I thought it was included the entire arrangement, but it was just the stems. And now they're currently on sale for $3 for $74. So even with the price I paid, because I have 7 stems for $40, I made, you know, quite a deal. And I'm not sure the price of their vase, but again, mine was like $8 or $10, and I've had it for years, so that was not a current purchase. This week is Spring Floral Week at Kay's Creative Home, so please click on the playlist in the description box below to see the other florals I've created. And let me also take the time to again thank Yami from the Latina Next Door and Kat from According to Kat for hosting and co-hosting this month's Look for Less challenge. Links to their channels and links to the playlist will also be in the description box below. Mine is fuller like the second picture. It's not quite like Grandinroad's, but I really like full flowers, so that's what I went for. And I'm happy with that. So here's my arrangement. And I'm going to place them in the window and let you see what it looks like as I display them, and then also show to you and show you a picture. I'm gonna try to do a picture of them side by side. I haven't done that before, but I'm gonna try. So hopefully I will be able to mimic that. So hopefully I'll be able to do that for you, okay? So don't forget to check out the others in the playlist. It's linked below, and to also check out Yami's channel and Kat's channel. And also this is Spring Floral Week at Kay's Creative Home. So you can check out some of the other spring florals I've done on my channel this week. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.